Hello everyone, I am at Delhi International Airport and from here I am going to take Ukraine International Airline flight from Delhi to Kiev. So I have reached at the airport. I have already done my check-in and got printed my boarding passes, and I think most of other people's also, because they charge $100 if you do not have get printed your boarding passes. So these long waiting queues are for dropping your luggage. So I have to wait like almost 2 hours. I don't know why they are going very slow. So now I am close to do so my boarding. So I will see you after the security check-in. I will show where we will reach. After security check, I have reached at gate number 4. From here, they will take us to the plane on a shuttle for boarding. We have reached near the plane in a shuttle. So now we are waiting to get into the plane. You can see plane from like very close from the outside here. So now the boarding has started. People have started moving into the plane. So I am like waiting to take some video and then I will board in the last. I am going towards my way. Here the people were like very helping. They were helping everyone properly find their way toward their seats. I have reached in the plane and find my seat. I am and see you can as you can see the space is like major concern in these economy class is the space. Like people say that they are cheaper, they do not have space, but it's enough. I like you can stretch your legs. So sitting is spacious, but for entertainment they do not have personal screens where you can see whatever you want, but they have only common screens in the middle of the rows or at the top front. So you can watch what they are playing if you want interested to watch. If you are want to watch something, you can bring your own tab or phone filled with the like entertainment material, so which you can watch. For this they are giving you a headphone. They are like looking not very good in quality. You can plug them on the side of your like armrest. So they also have some specific music channels. You can play also them. You can, if you do not want to watch that screen, and you can listen your music or something whatever you want from there available, whatever is available with them. Otherwise keep watching screen and enjoy. Now it's time for food. I requested them for like chicken or something, but they given me this veg platter. So let's see what is in it. It's pickle, then sweets, salad, and then again salad or like corns. So this is paratha chapati. It's like look good. So let's see what else they have in this platter. They have rice and dal with some snack on that. So in the sweet they have Indian gulab jamun, that's salad and the corns again. And about the drink, they do not serve coke or anything in the flight. If you interested to drink or you are fond of these drinks, you have to buy. I have bought it. I have paid like $2-3 for this. So if you are really interested or you are really fond of these, you can bring it from the airport, or otherwise you have to pay. So I am going to start my food. It's like, it's not that bad actually. It's okay. So, but it can be good. I asked them for the like chicken something. They said we are out of that. So like, I can say it's not very good. As I was talking about food, that was not a good experience. Now come to entertainment. Even though I am not having very good experience in this, because my this plug is not working, I cannot listen anything. I have to sit like and watching like mute TV or screen. So really, I have very bad experience about this. So now come to the next food. It's they served us a veg sandwich. Let's open it and see what it is. And they also given us a black coffee or tea, whatever you want, not more than that. Sandwich looks good. It like looks stuffed very well. It's vegetable. It looks cheese and some vegetables. From outside, it's looking good. I will let you know after eating how it is. But like food wise, I didn't like this. Really don't like this. As I told you guys, it's very bad experience in the like entertainment in food. They do not have many things, like they do not have what you want. And drinks, they do not serve coke or drink other drinks. So, and entertainment, you can see the cabin view. They are like peacefully, people are sleeping, people are yawning, and some people were having their like phones or tabs, so they are watching at that. Otherwise, it's like boring flight. So guys, this was my experience with the Ukraine International Airline. So please like this video and share this video and subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. We have reached in the Kyiv and we had a great landing and it's snowing there. So again, please, if you like this video, please like it and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you can get notification whenever we load new video. Once again, thank you very much for watching this video and see you soon in new video. Thank you very much.